Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, hello everyone. Today, let's talk about something super important. How to have a proper diet. Now, when people hear to the word diet, they often think about crazy restriction or giving up their favorite food. But honestly, proper diet isn't about suffering. It's all about balance, variety, and making smart choice for your body. First off, eating healthy doesn't mean you can only eat salad every day. No way. Proper diet includes a wide range of foods. You need fruits and veggies for vitamin and fiber. You need whole grains like brown rice or oats for energy. You need protein from chicken, fish, egg, or even beans to keep your muscles strong. And yes, you even need healthy fats like the on on honest from avocados and olive oil to keep your brain and hair in top shape. But it's not just about what you eat. It's also about how much you eat. Portion control is key. Sometimes we eat way too much without even realizing it. Especially when the food is super tasty, so listen to your body. Eat when you are hungry and stop when you are comfortably full. Not when you can barely move a simple trip. Use a smaller place or prepare your portions ahead of time. Another secret, water, lose of water. Sometimes you think you are hungry, but really you are just thirsty. So keep a water bottle nearby and sip throughout the day. And try not to load up on sugary drink. They might taste good, but too much sugar can cause serious problems down the road. Now, let's be real. Change your eating habit doesn't happen overnight. You don't need to follow crazy diets that promise you'll lose 10 calories in a week. That's not sustainable and honestly is not healthy either. And instead, start small. Add more veggies to your meals. Cut back a little on fast food. Cook more at home. It's all about steady, realistic steps. And here, the best part, you don't have to be perfect. It's totally okay. You totally okay to enjoy a slice of care of some fruit snack on the in a while. Life is meant to be enjoyed as long as you are making good choice most of the time. You are doing great. So remember, proper diet is about balance, consistency, and loading your body enough to follow it the right way. Let's start today. Let's take care of health one small choice at a time because at the end of the day, your health is your biggest and most precious investment you are going. Thank you.